Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you know what we do around this time. Do the roof swag on you fuck niggas. Yeah.
So we're on a nice sport bike Sunday cruise. Just me and one buddy. I'm going to try to find this road. So this should be pretty tight. This would be it. Well, we found the road, apparently. It's a badass road, huh? Yeah, I've been wanting to come down here. That was a good one. Some old ass trains down there. It's a scrapyard. I don't know, smooth sailing. I wish it would have stayed straight. Kansas River. It's a little up. We've had a lot of rain, which is good. Alright, this is where we used to go street race in high school. We're almost there. Way back in the day. Had a lot of fun out here. And then one time the cops ambushed us. We had a lot of fun out here, but one time we were coming down here, there was like 40 of us. All in a line, you know, we're booking it down this road. The cops just come out of nowhere, like 11 of them, literally. I was like, oh shit. Yeah, all the abandoned caves that they opened back up. Whoa. That shit. Whoa, dude, I didn't know that caves. Dude, this is it. That cave used to not be open because we used to run from like basically this pole, or there's a little sign down here. We used to race from there basically up to that little house. That's where the scale is. All that fucking gravel right there. I was gonna go down here and run you back up there, but we might have to start down there. I want to hit the scale real quick though. We're gonna go weigh my bike. Hold on. So say 560. The bike by itself with about a half a tank in between 380 and 400. With the bike, 600. $420. Lighter than yours. I don't even remember really, but it's on tape, so I got it. By like 40 pounds.
I also have a full tank though.
Oh, you do? Yeah, I only have like a half. Or no, my gas light just came on, so 3 gallons, which is 8 pounds per gallon, 24 pounds. So about 20 pounds if I had a full tank. Here and fucking that pole is basically the end, and wow, people be flying. Huh?
Some fly shit, see it and I want it, like it then I buy it. You paying for it, I can make it priceless. I told you all this money ain't for show, I let it go.
If you get money, know just what I'm talking about. If you get money, know just what I'm talking about. If you get money, know just what I'm talking about. If you get money, know just what I'm talking about.
I got a bad bitch, her name you don't need to know. You can take her off of me, that mean I don't need a hoe. Yeah, I'm like the number 3, something you ain't seen before. So we get it smacking once we get back to my vehicle.
That was a good one. You guys like that Kansas sky?
I got so much drink to pour, and I got my reefer roll. Girl, I love to stay, but gotta pack my things so we can go. They come and saying they need to know how every day I'm working, but my life is like the weekend, though. And when we in the club, the owners gon' acknowledge us. Me, I'm drunk as hell, throwing champagne bottles up. Yeah, we superstars, so the camera crews follow us. And all my diamonds traffic jam, they give you some kind of rush. Baby, I'm a star, you could join this constellation. Shit wherever I want, can't deal with constipation. Any chick that I handle, I teach them patience. How not to win the award, but be glad for your nominations. If getting money's the case, then